And I think this is a very loaded question, a very powerful question. It's very important. And I don't have really easy answers here. I see the world through the lens of, trying to do what's right by the patients as much as we possibly can. So we're like on an expressive, iterative side of that equation. And yet I know that patients feel like they're in this sort of sea of information, and do they want to travel far, and what sort of a surgeon is right for them. And I think that it's important, if you're really going to dial into a surgeon being right for you, it's probably important to know that it's going to be a process, to know that you're going to visit a number of websites. You're going to learn about your body. You might have more than one consultation as you make your way through this, to make sure that you really sync well and communicate well with the surgeon. And if you want something that is particular or customized, that surgeon has experienced and is able to deliver. I will say that I think it's wise to go to surgeons who have a very serious interest in gender surgery, both because the experience from patient standpoint is likely to be better, and also because there is a lot of nuance to this surgery. In some ways, it's very straightforward, but in other ways, just like anything in life, requires for somebody to do a fair amount of it in order to really thread the needle of what a patient wants and what is reliably achieved with different body types. So I think making sure that a surgeon has a broad experience profile is important. These days, you can do a lot of consultations virtually, so I don't think that initially geography should be too much of a blocker, but if funding and resources are, then one should be thinking about that. And then just like vibe, assuming the surgeon is capable, assuming they're gender affirming, assuming they've got a lot of experience, like, are they listening to you? Do you really feel like they have your best interests at heart? Do you really feel like they're going to likely achieve what the two of you are setting out to achieve together? I think that's very important, and consider it a journey, consider it a process, not a simple sort of one and done thing. And you'll likely make a decision that you really feel in your heart is right, that you feel is good, and be able to move forward from there.